Hi there. How's going on, everybody? I hope you are doing good. So, nowadays, everywhere in jobs, in IT, in private industries, if you will say to choose one job which you can easily land on that and you will get a high, huge package there. So, which job it will they will suggest you, or even in internet, if you will search here high paying jobs. Look, medical proficients, professionals. So, in medical professionals, doctor or surgeons, we cannot become within 6 months. Data scientist, hmm, think about 6 months. Machine learning experts, blockchain developer, full stack software developer, product manager and management consultant, investment banker. These top 10 highest paying jobs in India. If you are from India and outside of India and everywhere, like jobs in world, data scientist is there, IT system manager is there in world also, corporate lawyer is there, project manager management there. Basically, we are getting data scientist here in world also and in India also. India in second rank and in world in 4 5 rank. So if you will search about that job, means like here I will search data science jobs. That's it. So near Bangalore, Karnataka, I am residing here. So here you will see data scientist, senior data scientist job, Walmart Global Tech. Then Akai Technology, then Aclon Technology, AICon actually, technology, and you will search in Naukri.com, in Bangalore, data scientist job in Bangalore, Karnataka, and LinkedIn also. Here you are seeing the figure here. You are one person, and jobs are 27,000 plus data scientist job in Greater Bangalore in one city only. In Glassdoor also you can see here they are saying 737 openings are there. So for learning data science, how much time it will require? Only 4 to 6 months. In 4 to 6 months, which kind of libraries, which kind of skill sets, what are the focused areas you should learn on that? So making yourself machine learning engineer or a data science computer vision engineer or AI engineer, you must know some libraries, some tools, some frameworks to become a programmer or pro data scientist so that you can get easily jobs. We don't want this much job. We want only one job. Care about your own one job. And for that, what you need to do? You need to understand what data scientist will do. Here in data scientist, in Google, a data scientist is an analytics professional who is responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting what data means, collecting the data, analyze that collected data, and interpret from something after analyzing that data to help to help drive decision making in an organization. It means if you are a scientist in a sales growth company, you can make him understand, or you can use that past data and get some kind of decision. Decision means some kind of inference, whether your company is growing, whether your company is going down, which product is making good money, which product is not making good money. Like uh, in YouTube channel, if you will go here, it's a data scientist work. Wait, I will show you analytics. It's a data scientist work. Focus here only. Okay, focus here only. How they are showing? Focus here only. So these are the means work of the data scientist. So you can analyze here, my YouTube channel is growing or not, everything about everything you can see here. So I am making some specialized tools and techniques and modules and libraries for them. In this playlist, explore libraries and giving each and every libraries exploration I have made it until now. Python, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. I will make in future Scikit-learn, PyTorch, and Keras, TensorFlow, Cafe, Onyx, MATLAB. This kind of technologies I will reveal with you all, guys. For that, you should know which kind of libraries we should learn to entering inside the data science world. I have listed 20 most important or popular libraries that you must learn on data science field. That is NumPy. Why we use that NumPy? Firstly, I would like to tell you these all list I will give you in video description link. You can go and prefer this list. Before that, you can just visualize or you can observe this thing. Okay, so I'm giving just information and link here. Information means why we use that particular library. So NumPy for numerical computing and data analysis. Guys, I would like to tell you one more thing here. If you will go inside this channel and go in playlist and open that EDA, full stack EDA, you will get tutorial how to work with NumPy, Pandas, and for Matplotlib and Seaborn. And for analyzing here, you will get some kind of one project we have done here, email analysis on our own emails. I have downloaded that emails, and you can visualize or analyze your email. As a data scientist, you should work on that. So here I have mentioned all the thing: data transformation, descriptive statistic, grouping of pandas, understanding correlation between the features, time series analysis, t-test, z-test, why we use that, linear multiple regression model, multi-model classification, and mini batch, PCA, TSAN, why do we use that, and how it will work like that. So that's why I'm using here all the libraries and giving that, and tutorial I have also made it that on reference how to read the document and use the functions also. I'm making that. Okay, so NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and till Seaborn I have completed. I will complete these 20. All libraries I will complete. How to read the documentation for that reference I am making this. Okay, so Pandas for manipulation and analysis, and Matplotlib for data visualization, SciPy or scientific Python, scientific computing and optimization. Then Sklearn, which is called Sklearn or Scikit-learn also, for machine learning and data mining. My next video will be on this library particularly. And TensorFlow for deep learning and neural networks, Keras building and training deep learning models, Pygame for development of Py and development of games in Python, Flask for web development or making websites, Django web development or making websites, Beautiful Soup web scraping image and text, whatever you want you can extract using HTML and XML format, request library for HTML request, Pillow library for image pre-processing and manipulation. Here we use NumPy, Pandas, text means data or data frame pre-processing, but Pillow and OpenCV we use these two libraries for image pre-processing and computer vision. We use this. Open means open computer vision means OpenCV. NLTK natural language processing library, we use this for text pre-processing means text data. Here we are using data frame and series pre-processing. Here we are using image pre-processing. Here we are using where it is, here we are using text pre-processing. PyTorch, it's a kind of deep learning neural network library. Seaborn for data visualization, we have tutorial for that, go into the EDA series. And Bohk for Data visualization, it's a kind of Seaborn and Matplotlib and PySpark for big data pre-processing, like we have millions or trillions of rows or columns of data, then we use this PySpark. Then we have SQL for relational database management system, SQL database for working with them, and that is here. And we can add some more like globe for paths and OS for pathlib. I have already made that playlist. Inside that you will get all the things. And mostly I would like to give you one more intuition about that. Tomorrow I will make you understand how and why we should use these libraries, and NLTK, how it will help you to give a pre-built models on machine learning reference. That sklearn library today, tomorrow we will explore. Thank you so much. Until now, use this list and go into the using that reference link and check it all the libraries. If you don't understand, go into the playlist and check particular video for particular library and go and explore with me there. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye.